A pizza delivery man has helped police nab a suspect with a well-timed maneuver that was caught on video. Pizza man bringing all the deliveries, delivering the pizza, delivering justice. Let's find out a little bit more. The Pennsylvania pizza man was integral in arresting a suspect who is in the process of eluding. Tyler Morrell, who works for Coco's Pizza in Brookhaven, repeatedly spoke about the unusual weekend in a recent episode of the show After Hours. I'd only been there about 3 months, the pizza delivery man said, but it's been pretty normal. Every day is normal. You got your slow days, you got your busy days. This is like one of those middle days. I'm in the middle of the shift working until like 9. It's 3:30. I knew I had cash order like 5 minutes down the road. And I get up there, I pull up. My car's on the side. Plenty of room for someone to get by if they're driving a reasonable. Then Morale, pizza man, noticed a high-speed chase just off in the distance that immediately began coming closer and closer. I get to the door. I knock on the door. I ring the doorbell. And the person opens the main door but doesn't open the glass door all the way. So I can't get the pizza to her. So I'm stuck with the pizza. Pizza woman refusing delivery for some reason. And then, so once I hear the siren and screeching, she shuts the door completely. She's watching from inside. And then I'm there, stuck with pizza in hand. There's nowhere to go. So I hear all this screeching. The person almost flipped over. In the footage, a police sports utility vehicle can be seen tailing the hatchback. The smaller car stops at an intersection and the driver gets out, turns around and takes to the sidewalk, where Morel can be seen with a pizza box in hand, walking cautiously towards the sidewalk and astutely surveying the scene before him in quick fashion. He was just spinning his tires in the grass, the pizza delivery guy explained. The cop's pulling behind him. You can see he's trying to get out. And he gets out eventually. And the cops weren't even out of their car yet, but he was in full sprint. So I'm like, I don't know if they're going to catch him. I didn't even want to take the chance. Like, I didn't want to watch and be like, oh, just let them run and get him, you know? Make them chase him down. Who knows what could have happened? So I was like, I can't use my hands. I probably would have tackled him if I could. I was like, I got to keep the pizza good. Pizza delivery man is very serious about his job. I got to get cash for the pizza because I'm thinking I'm not going to lose money at the end of the day. Pizza delivery man is going to make sure your pizza gets delivered no matter what happens. He's very, very serious about his job. Then the moment of truth arrived. Seen wearing a red shirt and greenish-brown shorts, Morel makes a series of slight positioning steps and hops as the suspect, wearing a black hoodie, attempts to run past him. But then delivery man, pizza box in hand, steps one leg out and trips the running man, causing him to fall down. As he rises, a waiting officer appears to draw his gun and makes the arrest. It was wild, pizza delivery man said. I just had a split second. Kind of like trying to fake it a bit, like I wasn't going to do anything. So I was just standing there. And then I backed up, kind of faded away, and I moved forward with my leg out. Outstanding. The footage apparently became somewhat viral and shared by the person who ordered the pizza from their Ring doorbell. Honestly, I didn't really think about doing anything but stepping in. I was raised to step in if you don't see something's right, so I just want to do my part. But stopping crime wasn't only concern of Pizza Man. He wanted to make sure a customer got the pizza. I did as much as I could to prevent the pizza from sliding. Wow, Pizza Man made his delivery. Pizza Man is glorious. From what I saw, there's video of them enjoying the pizza delivered. So I think everything was still intact. There was also a bag on top of the pizza box that did not fall during the interaction with the suspect. So even though he stuck out his leg to trip the guy, the bag on top of pizza box remained intact. So the pizzeria also cheered Morel in a Facebook post. They need to give him a raise. Special shout out to our driver who assisted the police and still delivered the food unharmed. Wow. The pizza delivery driver said the woman who ordered the pizza sent him the video, which he shared with the restaurant, which in turn sent it online. The pizza delivery man said he received a $10 tip on the $25 order. I'll take that. That's a good tip. I don't know, man. I don't know. $10 on a $25 order is a pretty good tip normally. But man, this is pretty exceptional service. I think he's being cheated. Pizza delivery man is being dissed. Pizza delivery man deserves much bigger tips, man. He delivered that pizza, no matter what happened. Wow. Apparently, pizza delivery man also fancies himself an entrepreneur and is planning on opening a cheesesteak business. He also served previously serving the food to New York firehouses and police departments in the aftermath of 9/11. The pizza shop is getting a substantial amount of free publicity. He wanted to make sure a tire shop got him a free tire after the incident. I gave a little shout out to a tire air shop and they threw on a free tire for me. Wow. The police, for their part, in their Facebook post, credited the man with the help. Thank you, sir, for the assist, the police said. If you're interested in a job, we're always looking for good people. Costco's Pizza, you have great employees. The pizza man apparently is mulling over the offer for the police department. Thus, that comes to the end of the story of Pizza Man, who is best pizza man ever. Pizza Man was tasked with a simple job: deliver pizza to customer. And he did his job. But as he approached the door, there was a police chase afoot. The person did not want delivery of their pizza. So he boldly stepped into action to make sure his customer was safe and would want the pizza, and tripped the suspect so the police could arrest them, and then delivered a perfectly intact pizza. Pizza delivery man is a hero to us all. We should all be more like pizza delivery man, and that, at least for the moment, brings us to the end of the discussion of this story.